Section 4, Establishing Communities. The ability to raise food by farming allowed people to settle in permanent shelters. These structures, in turn, enabled people to form larger communities. In Paleolithic times, small bands of 20 to 60 people wandered from place to place in search of food. As people began growing food, they settled down near their farms. As a result, towns and villages grew. Towns grew at Jericho in present day Israel and Catalhuk in Turkey. Living in communities made it possible for people to organize themselves more efficiently. They could divide up the work of producing food and other things they needed. While some people grew crops, others built houses and made tools. Villagers, village dwellers, also learned to cooperate to do a task more quickly. For example, tool makers could share their work of making stone axes and knife blades. By working together, they could make more tools in the same amount of time. With many of their basic needs now met, people had more time and energy for other activities. They could invent new ways of making their lives more comfortable and safer. Larger communities could defend themselves more easily against their enemies. For example, strong stone walls protected the Neolithic town of Jericho. All of these changes in farming villages led to growing populations.